Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. Daily Rant today goes, of course, at Microsoft once again. There was a blog post that came up where there was some interaction with some Windows Insider team members, including Brandon LeBlanc, that is part of the Windows Insider team. And it all has to do with Windows 11 and the hatred of Windows 11. And so, of course, if you go on the feedback hub, you'll see that there's a lot of just put horrible and or Windows 11 horrible, and look and at all the posts and the blog posts of people just going crazy about the fact that everything's bad and new Outlook is bad, and comes to a point where there was some interaction with some of the Windows Insider members saying, "Yeah, I'm so sorry for that you don't like it, or that you have problems," and so on. And the first thing that he posted was, "Well, we're listening to the feedback, and we are changing things thanks to feedback." Now, there are things that have changed or they have backed off because of very, very, heavy complaints. But honestly, this is where the rant is. You're not really listening to anything, and you're not really listening to what people have to say. You're doing what you want. You're annoying people the way you want to annoy them. And you crapify Windows 11 in so many ways with ads and stuff, while people just don't want. And that is not a listen. You don't listen. I'm sorry, but this is Microsoft is completely deaf, except for very, very, very few exceptions. One of the things they were saying is, Windows 11 is great because the feedback of everybody is making, great. But they even went to the point where it's even greater because there's some feedback we don't listen to because we shouldn't. It's much greater than the way that we think about it. And this is where the disconnect once again from Microsoft to user is there. So I think Microsoft needs to sit down and just observe that there is a huge hatred around Windows 11. We see hatred around new versions of Windows all the time. People do not want to at the beginning, and that's for everything. Windows XP was like that. I remember as a tech guy, Windows XP was rejected. People, they don't want it. And yet it's one of the most loved systems today. Windows 7, same thing. Windows 10, same thing. But Windows 11 is different because with the Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, it started with hatred and turned into love. Over time, people loved the system. On Windows 11, the hatred is there. Those that hate still hate, and very few have changed their mind. And this is unique to Windows 11. It's a little bit like Windows 8. I would say Windows 8 probably had the same hatred. But still, I think Microsoft should sit down and listen a little more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.